Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the puddle lights in your Tesla vehicle from the original OEM manufactured puddle lights that came with the car to custom puddle lights from TeslaPuddleLights.com. One of the things I really love about this upgrade in your Tesla is that it's really easy to do. The whole thing should take you probably about 10 minutes. All you're really gonna need for this install is a new set of puddle lights, which we offer here at TeslaPuddleLights.com, and then a regular screwdriver or a spudger or trim removal tool. All right, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to remove the existing puddle light. You do this by simply inserting the spudger and gently twist, and the puddle light will easily pop out. Once the puddle light is out, you're going to remove the light from the cable. Now, a word of caution before you disconnect the light from the cable. We've heard from several Tesla owners that the length of the cable inside the door can vary greatly from car to car. You may also want to consider purchasing a set of cable extenders if you think your cable's too short. You can find the cable extenders on our website as well. To unplug the light, there's a little clip right here at the top that you need to press down to release the light. Once you press that clip down, you can slide the plastic housing off. One thing to keep in mind is that once you unplug the light, the windows are gonna roll up on the car and you're gonna hear the car beep. Don't worry about that, it's totally normal. The car will return to its normal state once you plug in the new light. Plug in the new light just like this. Before you set the light back into the door, you want to make sure the projection is going the direction you want it to. Once you're happy with the projection, you simply pop the light back in and then you're good to go. Do the other side and your job is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out TeslaPuddleLights.com for all your puddle light needs.